There are a lot of misunderstanding about the practice of meditation. Some people think when they are playing games they meditate, playing basketball they meditate, playing football they meditate, playing soccer they meditate, playing wrestling they meditate, practicing Kung Tao, Aikido and so forth they meditate and so forth. These are not actually kind of meditation that we are talking about. In a very serious sense, meditation is not that. Meditation is something you learn to do by yourself. This is a lonely path. Lonely path. You cannot take even your wife, your husband on the path. You go to walk yourself. Just like when you are hungry, you cannot ask your husband or wife to eat for yourself, right? When you have a headache, you cannot ask your husband or wife to take an aspirin for your headache. You have to have an aspirin for yourself. Similarly, we have to think very carefully about our own personal life. Sometimes people might think that it is something very selfish. Of course it is selfish. If I want to help you, I must be well first.